Welcome to Personal Finance, where we make personal finance easy and effective. In this video, we'll show you how to create a personal budget that works for you. Let's dive in. First things first, a personal budget is the foundation of financial success. To get started, we'll create a simple budget using a spreadsheet. This is an easy-to-follow and automation-friendly method. List all your sources of income. This could include your salary, side hustles, or any other money coming in. Categorize your expenses. We've got categories like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and more. Record your expenses. Automate this process by linking your bank accounts or manually inputting your transactions. Set financial goals. Allocate specific amounts to each spending category based on your priorities. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Use automation tools to help you stay on track. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to create a personal budget. With automation, you can make the process even smoother. Remember, budgeting is essential for financial success, and automation can be your best friend. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Personal Finance for more finance tips. Thanks for watching.